earplugs to get them as small as you can. Okay? And then you take them, insert them in your ear, kind of wiggle them back and forth if you want to, till you get a good fit. So we're taking what we call feed water, which is RO water, and we're feeding it from our feed pumps into our boiler. We take that to generate 600 pounds steam at 750 degrees, and that is used to run our steam turbines on our chillers. It goes to the steam turbine, which is coupled to the refrigerant compressor. Okay. Cool down chill water from campus, bring it from 52 degrees when it comes in, and cool it down to 32 degrees, 36 degrees when it comes back out. We have an evaporator right here. Where we have refrigerant, and it absorbs the heat from the chill water. That refrigerant is then pumped up into the condenser, where the heat is taken out of that refrigerant, and that heat is taken to our cooling towers, which is expelled to the atmosphere. Okay. actually supplement our electricity supply from LP&L with that, generate some of our own electricity.
Okay.
We also send some of this steam to campus. It's de-superheated and reduced down to 80 psi steam, and that's what heats the campus air handlers.
This is controlling all the electronics that are out in there.
But that pump that you looked at downstairs that's tagged out, that's the lock on the electrical part for it.
Oh, okay.
It also has what we call a soft start. You've been around this stuff, you know what a soft start is. And we tag it out too. Shut it off and take it out.
Is that part of it also?
That is one of the cooling tower fans.
Oh, okay.
Every tag out we got for each system, we tag out the system that takes away the most capability from the plant. That's how far you go with the tag out.
Okay. So pretty much if you're taking something out of service, you're going to take almost everything that's associated with it out as well?
Yes.
Okay.
When you look at that tag out, that's what you're going to look at. How far does it affect operation of the plant? That's essentially, for you to be safe, that's how far you're taking.
Okay. The purpose of the boiler is to produce steam for our customers at set temperatures and pressures for campus heating, chiller turbines, and auxiliary equipment in the plant. CHACP number 1 has 3 water tube natural circulating boilers that produce 750 degree steam at 600 psi. Number 3 boiler is an A-type boiler with a capacity of 125,000 pounds per steam per hour. This boiler is our primary summer operations boiler. This boiler is fired with natural gas. Cold start warm-up will be a minimum of 8 hours. This is to allow the metal to heat slowly and give it time to expand without causing stress and damage to the boiler. With this in mind, the boiler pressure should not exceed 100 psi at a time before securing it to allow for expansion, approximately 45 to 60 minutes between light off. Placing number 3 boiler in operation. Step 1. Ensure all tags are removed and that the boiler is safe to place in operation. Step 2. Verify air pressure is above 80 psi. Step 3. Open boiler stack. Step 4. Open steam drum vent valve if doing a cold start. Step 5. Open superheater drain valves. Verify drum level is at 0 inches. If boiler is warm, check economizer temperature. If above 300 degrees, open bottom blowdown valve and lower drum level to 2 inches. Close blowdown valve and open feed water bypass valve and bring drum level back to 0 inches. The feed water should lower the economizer temperature and protect from overheating. Step 7. Clear all alarms on the control panel. Step 8. Crack drains on steam line and header to remove condensate. Step 13. Open gas blocking valve slowly so not to drop pressure from online boiler. Open bypass around header blocking valve to begin steam line warm-up. Check and address drains accordingly. Step 10. Open non-return valve. Step 11. When steam pipe is warm and all condensate has been expelled, slowly open the header blocking valve. Once open, secure bypass and drain valves. Step 12. Notify chemistry, LP&L Cogen that boiler number 3 is to be placed online. Commence startup sequence. Start forced draft fan. Go to the basement number 3 FDF room, forced variable drive in the corner. Push the on auto button. Look to see that the shaft for the fan has started to rotate. B. Start boiler. On the control panel, go to the BMS ML tag over to the start menu. Push the up arrow dialog should change from stop to start. Push the enter button. C. Purge command. 90-second purge will auto start. During purge, the FDF VFD will ramp to 100% and you will get a high wind box damper alarm. Press the alarm button on the ML and acknowledge the alarm to clear, and on the BMS controller to silence the alarm. The purge will continue. Caution: a purge is performed to remove explosive gases in the boiler and firebox. D. Reset MFT. Low fire command for 25 seconds. Allow gas into a low fire condition to ensure all conditions are safe and no alarms are present prior to ignition. E. Start ignition. Indicate that the igniter is on and will remain on for 10 seconds for the fire eye to register that the pilot has lit. If the fire eye does not register, a flame boiler will trip and ML will flash igniter on the screen. F. Start burner. The main burner gas valve will open at this point and remain open for the fire eye to indicate burner on. G. Verify fires are lit. H. Superheater vent. Go to the SH temp ML. Hit the tab button to bring up the superheater. Press the manual button which will place the superheater vent to manual and automatically open 15%. An alarm will sound. Acknowledge the alarm and silence the alarm on the BMS ML. Caution: opening the superheater vent allows a constant flow through the superheater to prevent overheating and tube burnout. Do not allow the superheater temp to exceed 800 degrees. 14. When boiler starts to generate steam, secure steam drum vents. 15. When steam drum pressure is between 50 to 70 psi, secure the superheater drains. Note: as the boiler temp and pressure start to increase, the drum level will increase as well due to expansion of the water. Do not attempt to correct water unless level rises above 5 inches. Placing boiler in one knob. A. Air ML. Tag over to the airflow, push the button next to man. This will place air into auto. B. Air ML. Tag over to VFD and place in auto. C. Fuel ML. Tag over to gas, place in auto. Fuel ML. Tag over to WB diff, place into auto. Note, the boiler now is in one knob. All further adjustments can be made from the master controller. E. SH temp ML. Tab over to master, use the up and down arrows to control the gas valve %. 16. Drum level ML. When the boiler water level is stable and near normal operating level, make sure the feed water blocking valve is open, go to the drum level ML, and place in auto. Be sure the level set point is 0. Note, the boiler is now in auto and can be adjusted by the pressure set point. 18. Adjust set point. SH temp ML, tag over to master, push the button next to OP and it will change to SP, set point. Now the boiler can be adjusted by the set point of the drum pressure. 19. As the pressure increases and the boiler starts to take the load, you can start closing down on the superheater vent. Do not close superheater vent completely until you have a 15,000 pounds per hour flow. Note, once you start closing the superheater vent, the pressure will start to increase quickly. 20. Notify chemistry so that the unilock can be placed into operation. 21. Notify lead operator, operations foreman, chemistry, and cogen that number 3 boiler is online in automatic control. 22. Note in daily operator's log.
Securing number 3 boiler. 1. Go to SH temp ML tag over to master, place in manual. The boiler is now in one knob. 2. Use the arrow down button to lower the gas valve %, slowly allowing for the other online boiler to take the steam load. 3. Once the online boiler has the load, go to the SH temp ML tag over to superheater and place in manual. The superheater will open, allowing a constant flow through the superheater. 4. Push the emergency trip button on the control panel. 5. Go to the BMS ML tag over to reset and push the up arrow and enter. This will start the post-purge for the boiler automatically. 6. Go to the basement and on the number 3 VFD control, push stop to secure the FDF. Number 7. Secure the 600 header blocking valve. 8. Secure the gas blocking valve. 9. Secure the boiler non-return valve. 10. When the steam drum is at 500 psi, secure the superheater. Go to SHML tag over to the SH vent, place in auto, and the SH vent will close. 11. When the boiler pressure drops below 500 psi, raise the drum level to 3 inches and do bottom blowdowns on each side 3 times, allowing 15 minutes between each set of blowdowns. 12. Secure the feed water station. 13. Notify chemistry to secure the unilock system. 14. When the drum pressure reaches 50 psi, crack the superheater drains. 15. Close stack. 16. Notify lead operator number 3 boiler is secured. 17. Enter into daily logs.